Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So this potentially is a part 4 with an extended version of application video that we were doing for the course EMINENT for the college University of Siegen. So in this particular course we also saw we have made a detailed requirement analysis for this particular course, and in this particular course we also saw that this particular course is usually happen in 3 different countries. So first semester you will be in Greece, second semester you have to do in Germany. After that you have to choose your specialization. Based on the specialization you choose, then you will study your third semester in that university. So example, you can select in Germany, and other things would be Spain, France, Greece and other things. Then after choosing that, then you will come back to the thesis or do their thesis in their particular college. This is how it was structured, and also we saw what are the requirement analysis and what are the documents that you need to apply. Then one more thing is, after that we got to know that application is already started and application deadline is March 1st. That's the reason we continuously made other 3 videos where we showed you how to apply detailedly for that particular course. While applying, we got to know about this self-assessment PDF that we need to fill. So I also asked them, should I tell or make a detailed video about this, explaining everything. So many of them said yes. So then I'm making this video to help them. As I told also at first, it's straightforward. You just have to look into your module description or module handbook, then fill in the details. That's it. But that I will have filled already. Then I will explain what are the things, how to put in there, how to add it. Before that, if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also share this video with the people who are in need, so that they can also look into these videos, apply for this particular course, get into this university easily. Then they can also start their dream course in Dream College in Germany. Now, without any ado, we'll get started. So this will be, I noted it as University of Siegen, this particular course, only filling self-assessment PDF. Okay. In this step, we got to know that there is a self-assessment PDF, so which you have to fill and attach. So in this PDF contains these many course and credits achieved by your bachelor studies, and these are the courses, and this is how I have filled it, but I will explain everything. Before that, you need to go to your bachelor study webpage where you have studied. So I studied in VTU, which is Visvesvaraya Technological University, and we have a course catalog complete scheme and syllabus PDFs that are already scanned and put in here. If you want just a physical digital copy. If you need physical copy, then you need to order. They will charge around like 30 rupees. Then you can also get it to your home delivered. Okay, so here we have two parts. One will be for first and second semester, because here it will be general for all the courses, which will be physics cycle and chemistry cycle, and the other one would be third semester, so 8th semester handbook complete. So this will be dedicated to which particular stream you studied, like say example computer engineering, artificial intelligence engineering and electrical engineering, other things. But I was interested in electrical engineering, or I studied the electrical engineering thing. That's the reason I downloaded both. So this is the physics and chemistry cycle, or the first and second semester scheme that we have. As I told, you can also order 30 rupees. So this is how our 2017-18 scheme for this particular BTech course is structured for first and second semester. So this is the syllabus that they have put. These are the subjects that I'm gonna do in first and second semester. Okay, from third to 8th semester, then I will have this PDF which I have downloaded. So in this here, you can just see this is completely only for third to 8th semester for electrical and electronics engineering. That is what I did. That's the reason. So if you have done any other course, then please look after for your course and download the same PDF. This is in VTU. For your particular college also, you will have this kind of module handbook for sure. You will have, then please look at this things. We have our complete 8th semester what we studied here in the list. Then we have to place it wherever it is necessary. At first, fill in normal details, which is your surname, first name, then application number. This application number is nothing but in your UNESCO web page where you are filling, there is applicant number, and in the personal details you have to give this one. Okay, type of bachelor study that you did is Bachelor of Engineering in our side, so that's the reason I have put Bachelor of Engineering. Standard period of study in bachelor in semester is 8 semester that we had. So if you have done, so this is 8 semester that you need to do, but yeah, if you have taken more, then it's to you to fill. But here you have to give 8 only because it's a standard period. Okay, then total number of credit points from the bachelor in, if you get in with you, then you will get a 200 credit certificate at the end of the bachelor degree when you finish. Okay, so courses surveys, they asked us to use the course related embedded system, intelligent systems and nanotechnology, some of the courses that you need to do. In third semester we study digital systems design, which is related. This digital systems design and digital signal processing will counts up to digital technology. That's the reason for digital technology I have given digital systems design and digital signal processing, which are both for 4 credits. So where I took the information, here it is, digital system design, and one more is digital signal processing, which is on 6th semester, and here it is, digital signal processing, and both are 4 credits. And we also have how many hours that we study in a week and total number of hours. Everything is given in one module handbook. Please go through, then you can also convert ECTS in future if you need. Okay, then we wanted hardware development. So hardware development we used as a, say example, operational amplifier ICs. This is a hardware development. Then other thing is high voltage engineering. This also we use most of the hardware development. That's the reason I have given these 2 subjects here as an example. Then they are for 4 credits. But IoT is the main thing. So for IoT, it's a foundation level course, but we never did directly with IoT because at that time Raspberry Pi and for that courses were not there. So but we had the basic IoT or Internet of Things, which was not that advanced, but the lower level is microcontroller. So you need to have microcontroller knowledge in order to understand IoT and other things. That's the reason I put microcontroller and digital signal processing and other things. So here in this things, it covers digital technology, hardware development and IoT. Okay, but here if you can see, semiconductor technology is not there because we don't have any semiconductor subjects in our electronics and electrical engineering. If you guys studied, say example, electrical and communication, and if you have other related subjects that will fall under these sample topics, then please give in. Okay, that's how. For me, these are the things that looked good and fitting in these sample topics. That's the reason I have given. Okay, then we'll go to mathematics. So mathematical is straightforward. You have studied 4 mathematics, which covers everything, because in Germany I have seen people who come from India and most of the Asian side. Here, in order to take advanced mathematics, some people has to go through some prerequisite engineering mathematics course. Okay, because they have not finished in their bachelor. But for Indians, I have seen we don't need to go through any of the prerequisite because our Indian mathematics subjects covers everything, basic things that they want for master level. So no need to worry, just fill in 4 mathematics that you have done, and with credits are 4 for each subject for us. That's the reason we have done 16 credits in mathematics. Straightforward. And here comes the good parts, which are foundation of electrical engineering and computer science engineering. Here foundation means you need to give the introduction of electrical engineering, which you study, then field theory, signal theory, high frequency engineering, control theory. So these are normal fundamental electrical engineering courses that you have done, which from 3rd semester to 8th semester. Usually in 1st or 2nd semester you would have done basic electronics, depending on the cycle that you have done. Either some people would have been done in 1st semester, some people would have been done in 2nd semester. So depending on that, it is 4 credit course, you have done 1. Then analog electronic circuits, which is the first basic step that you do in 3rd semester in order to get to know the analog electronic circuits, how you develop small circuits and other things, closed loops, open loops and other things. That's the reason you have studied this basic thing, which is 4 credits. Then comes the hardest subject in the electrical engineering, for at least for me, which I felt is electromagnetic field theory, because they have also asked that if you guys have done field theory. That's the reason we have done in our syllabus, we have it on the 4th semester, we study electromagnetic field theory. Here it is. So that is how I have taken all information from our module handbook. Then you need to also give subjects about signal theory. In 5th we had signals and system. That's the reason I have given that subject and 4 credit. Then you need to give us control theory, which is control system, which is famous. So here control system I did only 1, which is 4 credit. But people who have done elective as a control system, then they can also give control system 1 and 2 and give 7 credit points, because elective is 3 credit points, like that. Then for high frequency engineering, we have done power system analysis, which is on 6th and 7th semester. 1 and 2 we had 2 subjects, so that counts up to 8 credits. This is how we have done foundation of electrical engineering courses. After that, you need to also give in the information about computer science and engineering things. So in computer science and engineering, we did programming in C and data structure, this is the mandatory subject that we go through in physics or chemistry cycle, which is 4 credits. Then introduction to Python, that I did in 6th semester as a elective, open elective. So if you have not done it, then don't put it. So if you have done any electives, programming extra subjects, then please put in here the programming, data processing, databases, networks that you have done. Also, some people did your neural networks, that was also there in our electives. I can also show you it here. So if you have done this artificial and neural network fuzzy logic, then you can also put this as a elective that you have done here in the programming section. But I have not done that. I did introduction to Python, so that is how I have put that one. Then you can also put computer programming laboratory, which is 2 credit points that we have done related to computer science, data processing and database networks. Then general electrical engineering, so these are the things that is electronics usually, which is circuits, semiconductor technology, power engineering, communication technology. So here we have done again electric circuit analysis, because here it is analog electric circuits that we are designing, and here you will study the electric circuit analysis, how to analyze the circuits and other things, nodal analysis and other basic things that you're gonna do, and which is foundation level course which you need in order to pursue your electronic side or embedded system side design or the development. Then we also do some power engineering. So in power engineering we had 2 subjects mainly, which is transformer and generators and transmission and distributions, and also we had high frequency, high voltage thing that I mentioned in the basic, which is also power engineering category. That's how we have did it. Then communication technology, as you know, we had PLC programming language we did, and we also did microcontroller, which is already we given in IoT section and other things. Then sensors and transducer also comes under communication technology, power engineering, other things. That's the reason I have put all these general related picks that I have put here, the subjects which are closely related to topics that they are asking for. Then practical electrical engineering courses that we have done. So we had electronics laboratory, op-amps and linear ICs, which is in 3rd semester and 4th semester. I combined because it has only 3 options, but I wanted to put 4 subjects. That's the reason I put it like this. Then microcontroller laboratory, which we have done 2 credits. Then digital signal processing laboratory, which is 2 credits. So this is how I have put practical electrical engineering courses that we have done in the, as usual, at last is the project work or bachelor thesis that you have done. You will divide your project work into 2 parts, project work phase 1 and 2, then seminars. So here in 7th semester we had only 2 credits, and in 8th semester we had 6 credits for project work 2, seminar is 1 credit. That's the reason I have added up and put it as 7. So I guess I have explained everything and put it all detailedly, but here I just wanted to make sure, tell you, after filling this, when you're uploading this, you need to also attach your module handbooks in the additional documents. Otherwise it's no means, because if you're putting this, yes, I have studied this high voltage engineering which covers these sample topics, they can go into high voltage detailed topic and see what you have studied there. Say example, I have put engineering mathematics 4. They can go inside and see what are the course outcomes that one will achieve after studying this course, and what he is studying in every module, you know. So it is detailedly explained. So that's the reason, please upload the both documents, at least with you guys. It is available directly in the website. So people in other university, if they have not available, then please ask your university, they should provide and they will provide. This is how I just wanted to show you guys to how to fill in this particular self-assessment PDF, which we have to use in MSc, EMI, NENT. If you like this video, then please do watch it, like, share also, and subscribe, and also share this video with the people who are in need. Okay, then see you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.